This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Acura MDX. Plenty of space for what you need. It has a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a power sunroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity discharge headlights, a power rear liftgate, a CD player, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 4,000 miles on the odometer. This Acura has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Acura of Seattle is located at 301 Baker Boulevard in Seattle. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.